Jesus Christ, we give honor to your holy name. You are the Son of God Most High, so you deserve our songs of love. We are not Jews, but we are the new Israelites. We found a new name to bookmark your revelation. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, LVM. Love is the victory of God to mankind. So we are in great joy to be your own. We are Filipinos, the chosen race, a controversial blood, small country, but always in the headlines. We are the pride of our motherland. The Philippines belong to the third world countries to flicker the very image of the third person of the Holy Trinity family. Mary, Victory, Piety, MVP in God's sporty court, the Lord of the Rings.